Hello students, I am your maths teacher Abhijit Samanto. Hope you are all well. Today we are going to start left sums of LCM cell practice 6a from the chapter factors and multiples. Okay. Question number 4. Write the prime factorization each of the following numbers. Okay, this is given. So prime factorization we have already learned, that means the expression of the product of the prime factors. Okay, so last day we have learned prime factorization by factor tree. Today we will learn prime factorization by division method. It is clear? So 2a that we have learned last day by factor tree, and today we will learn by division method. Is it clear? Come. So first write in this way. Okay, now this number will check it will divide by 2 or not. Will it divisible by 2? So look, it is odd number, so it is not divisible by 2. Okay, now by 3, just check by 3 like this. If you cannot do mentally, okay, if you cannot do mentally, check by this. Otherwise do it mentally. Look here, 22, that means by 7, 21, and 1 and 5, 15 by 5. Yes, obviously it will go by 3, so by 3 it will be 75. Is it clear, my dear students? Okay, either do it mentally or do by this process, but you have to do correct. Is it clear, my dear students? Okay, come. Now 75. Now let's check for 75. Okay, 75, yes, by 3 it is divisible. Okay, my dear students, for factors and multiples you have to memorize the table properly. Okay, you have to do product, you have to do division properly, then you can write all. Look, by 3, 25. Now 25, it will go by 5 5s are 25. Okay, so it will 5. Now 5 5s are 1. So when you will stop, up to you will get a 1. Either you can stop here where you will get a prime number, okay, or you stop at 1, no problem. Is it clear? Okay, now write it. Look here, 225 is equal to product of this, product of this, product of 3 3 5 and 5. This is the prime factorization. Is it clear, my dear students? Okay, now come to this. Look, it is even number, so even number, that means obviously it will go by 2. Why? Last it is 0, that means it will divisible by 2. Okay, so just do it here. 2 and 180, 2 and 180. Do the division or do by mind. How do by your mind? Look, 10 5, okay, and 40, that means 80, that means divisible by, if you divide by 2 it will be 40. So when you do division by 2, for this 10 you will get a 5, and for this 80 you will get a 40, so it will be 540. Okay, now by 2, look, 54, that means 27, and this 0 will be here. Okay, next by 2, look, 2 ones are 2 1, this for 2 1, and 70 35. Okay, either do it mentally or do by this division method, but don't do any mistake. Is it clear, my dear students? Okay, 135. Now look, will it go by 2? No, because it is odd number. So what you'll, so if it is not divisible by 2, check by 3, check by 3. Okay, so what you will get? You will get 45. You will get 45. Okay, suppose here it is not divisible by 3, then what number you will check? You will take 5. Okay, that means check by prime numbers. So 45, look, obviously it will go by 3, it will be 15. 15, obviously it will go divisible by 3, it will be 5, and 5 5s are 1. So stop up to you will get a 1. So my dear students, what will be the prime factorization? Okay, just product of 2 2 2 3 3 3 and 5, just here. Alright, okay, product of these numbers, are 2 into 2 into like this up to 5. No need to write 1. Is it clear, my dear students? Okay, come to next question. list the common factors of each of the following sets of the numbers and find that HCF. Okay, so what is HCF? Okay, what is HCF? HCF full form is highest common factors. Okay, look here, two number given. Okay, here two number given. Okay, you know, first you have to find, you have to write the factors of 28, then you have to write the factors of 42. Okay, among them you have to find what are the common factors. Okay, and among the common factor, which factor is highest. Is it clear, my dear students? Okay, that is called the HCF. Okay, now write the factors of 28. That means what? By which number you can divide 28. Okay, listen, we last class we are done by 1 into 28, 2 into 14, like in this way. Okay, that calculation you can do by mind also. Okay, just think, by 1 can you divide 28? Yes. By 2, yes, 2 14s. By 3, no. By 4, yes, 4 7s are, then 4, then 7 4s are 28, then 7. Okay, then 14 2s are 28, 14, then 18. Will you get any other number by which you can divide? Then these numbers will all the divisor. Okay, I am telling them that for this you have to memorize the table. Okay, now factors of 42, that means by which number you can divide 42. By 1, yes. By 2, yes, 21. Okay, by 3, yes, 14. By 4, no. By 5, no. By 6, can you divisible? Yes, 6 7s are. Okay, by 7, yes. By 8, no. By 9, no. By 10, then what it will be? Again by 14, 14 3s are 42. I am telling that table is very important here. Okay, 14. Next is what? 21, 42. Okay, next and 42. Is it clear, my dear student? Okay, now here what are the common factors? Okay, so the common factors are, look, this one common means which is in 28 and 42 both. Okay, next these two. Next is what? Next, look, it is 7 also. Look, this 7 also. Look, 14 also. Can you get other common which is in both? No. 7 1 2 7 and 14. Okay, so among these, which is largest or which is highest? This is 14. So HCF will be 14. Is it clear, my dear students? So easy. First find the factors, then find the common factors, then among the common factor which is highest. Okay, okay, come to next. This here, look here, 3 numbers, not digit, here 3 numbers. Okay, so same here. First tell me for 24. So 24, by which number you can divide 24? By 1, by 2, by 3, by 4, by 6, by 8, by 12 and 24. Okay, next, factors of 32, that means by which number you can divide 32. By 1 you can divide, by 2 you can divide, by 4 you can divide, by 8, by 16 and by 32. Okay, and here what are the factors of 48? That means by which number you can divide 48. Look, these are so many numbers by which you can divide 48. Okay, look, one thing, in each factor 1 and that number are always the factors. Okay, now among these factors, what are the common? Look here, 1 is the common, next 2 is the common, next 3, no. Look, 3 is here, 3 is here, but 3 is not on 32. 3 is not on 32, so we cannot take 3. Okay, commonly it have to all. Look here, 4, no. Look, 8 also. Look, 8 also. Okay, look, 8 also. Okay, so what are the common factors? 1 2 4 and 8. Okay, so among them which is highest? 8. So HCF is equal to 8. Okay, hope you understand. Next, find the HCF of the following by the prime factorization method. My dear students, here we will learn HCF. So last In question number 5, what we have learned? We find the HCF by listing factor. Now we learn what? Prime factorization. Listen, the method you have to memorize also. You have to learn the method. Okay, suppose you are asking for prime factorization method. Find the HCF by prime factorization method, but you are finding that by listing method. Then it will be wrong. Okay, so you have to you have to learn the difference of prime factor of the methods. Okay, which method how we will do. So here first do the prime factorization, already you have learned. Okay, so 36 by 2, 18 by 2, 9 by 3, 3. Okay, by 3 it is 1. Okay, same way we will do for 48 by 2, 24. Okay, and all you can very easy. Okay, next for 60 by 2 first, by 2, then 3 by 5. Very easy. So if you learn the prime factorization, this is very easy for you, otherwise you cannot do it. Okay, so each and everything you have to learn. If you don't understand the previous, you cannot learn the next also. So first, okay, next write it here, the 36. Okay, as you learn the prime factor, look, 36 means product of this. Okay, next 48 means product of this, and 60 means product of this. Okay, so we have written. Now HCF, then we will find which is common. Which, look here, these two are common. Look, these two also are common. Look, 3 here, look, 3, it is 3. Here also a 3, and here also a 3. Look, here it is 3, but there is no 3. There is no 3. Here it is 2, but there is no 2. Here is 5, but others have not 5. That means they are not common. Okay, so what are the common? 2, 2 and 3, and we will do the product. 2 into, look, for this 1, 2, for this 1, 2, and for this 3, 1, 3. Okay, we will write and do the product. So it will be 12. So is it clear, my dear student? So first find this for common. For this 3, 2, we will write 2. Here for this 3, 2, we will write 1, 2. Okay, for this 3, 3, we will write 1, 3. Okay, then do the product. Now come here, same. First 28 by 2, 14 by 2, 7 by 7, 1. Okay, so similarly 48 is here, and 56. Look, 28, and we are already got here 28. Okay, so it will be like this. Look, all we have stopped when we reach at 1. When we reach at 1. Is it clear? Now what you will do? Just write their prime factorization. Write their prime factorization. Okay. Now among this prime factorization, we will find what are the common. Look, here 2's are common. Next here 2's are common. Look here 7. But in 48 there is no 7. In 48 there is no 7. That's why 7 is not common. Look here, these 2 and 48, these 2 at 56, but there is no 2 left in 28. That means we cannot take these 2 as common of these 3. Okay, look, 3 is only at 48. That means 3 is not common. Okay, so what are the common? Common means which factors are at 28, are at 48, and are at 56. Here 2 and 2. Okay, so do the product, it will be 4. Is it clear, my dear students? Okay. Now find the HCF of the following by long division method. Look, so 3 methods we have learned. Okay, first listing factor, next prime factorization. Okay, now long division. Okay, now I am telling that just keep in your mind that method. Okay, when there is nothing told, that only asks that do the HCF. You can do any method, but when you are instructed that do by long division method, okay, and that time if you are doing by prime factorization method, that will be wrong. Okay, That's why the methods are here very important. So long division method, then look. So first we write the smaller number in divisor and the dividend the greater number. Okay, now here look 1 and here 1, by which 1 it will go, so 144. Okay, now do subtraction. Now this is the important thing. Now listen my dear student, now after subtract, what you get, that will be the divisor, that will be the new divisor, and this number will be here, this number will be the new dividend. Is it clear? This is very important my dear student. After subtract, what you will get, that will be the new divisor, and the previous divisor will be the new dividend, so it will be here. Is it clear? Okay, now look here, 16, count the table of 16, it will be 9 and you will get a 0, so then stop. Is it clear? Okay, so now what is HCF? Remember it carefully, this will be HCF, this will be HCF, 16 will be HCF, not 9. Student will do the mistake by writing 9. So what will be the HCF? 16 will be the HCF. Okay, so write HCF is equal to 16. Is it clear my dear student? Okay, now come here, question number C. So first what we will do, first we will arrange it in this way, the smaller number in the divisor and the greater number in the dividend. Okay, now look here, it is 4 and it is 9, 4 2s are 8. Let's check, we are not sure, let's check by 2. Look, if we multiply, it will be 990. Look here, 945, that means it is more, so we cannot take this. Okay, so for 2 it is greater, so we will take less than 2, that means by 1. So by 1 it is this. Do the subtraction. So what I have told, that after subtract, what you will get, that will be the divisor and this will be the new dividend. So what it will be? It will be like this. Okay, now look here, it is 4, here also 4 by 1, so by 1 it will be this. Okay, do the subtraction. Now it is not again 0, it is 45, so this will be the divisor and this 450 will be the dividend. So do the dividend. Look, 45 here, 45, 1 45. Okay, so this 0, don't stop here because you are just taking this 0, not yet subtract. Okay, so zeros are 0. Okay, is it clear? So my dear student, which will be the HCF? 45 will be the HCF, 45 will be the HCF, not 10, not 10. Okay, please keep in your mind, 45 will be the HCF. Okay, here you are not asking that, say that quotient, that you will write it here. Okay, so HCF will be this, the last divisor. What will be the HCF? The last divisor. Look here, 450, 495, not last divisor. Here what is the last divisor? 16 is the last divisor. Is it clear my student? Okay, so write the HCF 45. So please learn the method. Okay, practice this. Thank you.